In this video, I will review Nuroum A15 speakerphone. The A15 is a small Bluetooth and wired conference speakerphone. Can be easily work well in small and medium to large meetings. It's compatible with multiple devices and operating systems such as Windows or Mac OS, with no need to install the drivers. The conference speaker can be connected via USB or Bluetooth and is also compatible with the most commonly used call software like Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp, and etc. The speakerphone equipped with 4 MEMS foldoplex microphones which can pick up voice within 3 meters radius and suitable for 6 to 10 people conference meetings. The speaker and the microphones features the upgraded AI noise reduction tech to eliminate background noises. You can connect two speakerphones to each other in case you're planning to enlarge the meeting attendees. Now let's open the box and see what comes inside. First, we will find the speakerphone. It has touchable control interface. In the back side of the speakerphone, we will see the AUX to connect the speakerphone to an external speaker, and an expansion daisy chain connection, reset button, charging USB-C connection, and reserve power supply to use it as example for charging your phone. The last connection is to communicate the speakerphone to your computer by the USB-C cable. The A15 comes in decent portable small size. In the connections box, we will find a Bluetooth USB dongle, and the cable has USB-C to USB-A terminals. Or you can use a converter to make it USB-C to USB-C. A user manual and quick step-by-step guidance. Plus the warranty card. The A15, powered by a rechargeable 2600 mAh battery, can be last for 8 hours after charging for 2 hours only.
Battery high.
Also, the speakerphone comes with a handy carrying case for protection. As I mentioned, the speakerphone is easy plug and play to the computer by USB-C cable or Bluetooth, as you can see now.
Battery high.
If you want to buy this speakerphone, I will leave the link down in the description. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.